Yes. Firing on all cylinders. No smoke in here today.
It's our new F16.
Zero smoke. It's 20 degrees Celsius in here.
It's our Eagle Freedom 1.
No, it's 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius. With 3 walls. Hear that thing? It's like a rocket stove, right? Isn't that what it reminds you of?
It's the Eagle Freedom 1. It's running like a top.
Is it ever?
You can hear it? Yeah.
$35 stove. We've already been out here in what, minus 10? Minus 5, minus 10.
On the go, we got some cheeseburgers. Take a puff of that, buddy. And,
oh, got a nice bit of coal in there, man. The heat coming out of there right now. Oh, my goodness.
Mark did some alignments, so there's no obstruction between the heat source. You can see it's just right up. There's no sparks, no color. There's not even color in the pipe, which means there's no blockage. It's running like an F16.
A really good draft.
Yeah. And then when we go up here, we got our cheeseburgers. This video will be quick. Roll with the Franks.
Alright, I'm ready to eat.
Roll with the mustard, but it is ketchup. Got our corn chips and our chili for after. Roll with our tow pickles and our bacon. And our buns. Sir.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Alright.
He's ready.
Spatula.
My new cooking system here. How about this, buddy? 1 piece of bacon and 1 hamburger. And 1 piece of bacon. Sorry about that.
Oh, yeah.
That is ketchup. I'll let you address that.
We got ketchup in the mustard jar.
Sure. And dill pickles if you want.
Shake that up. Oh, pickles? Oh, man. Alright.
And their dills. Sure.
Might as well throw a pickle on there. Went through the effort to bring them. I'll go through the effort to use them.
Sure.
There we have it.
And then we got some great fat.
Oh, yeah.
That's right. Oh, yes.
I need some corn chips on my plate, Bob.
Yes, I forgot.
So,
it's no, in the burger, man. No joke, seriously. Just a couple.
no,
like,
let's do it. Let's do it on the bottom there.
just a couple. There you go.
Okay, let's do some corn chips on there, bud.
Yeah,
Just a small handful on the plate. Bam, perfect. All right.
This is our new thing. The texture, it just adds so much texture. It's okay. Right on.
So I got a bacon cheeseburger
Stuffed
with pickles and corn chips.
and corn chips and cheese. So it's bacon. It's a bacon
Bacon
cheese.
cheeseburger.
It's a
with
bacon
pickles.
cheese stuffed cheeseburger with bacon and cheese and a pickle and corn chips.
I could taste a hint of bacon.
Good? Yeah?
Well done.
All right.
Great.
Yeah. So we're going to save the chili and tacos in the bag for
Hot.
later. Yes, sir. It's good. It's still on like line. Well, back.